All right, today I'm going to take a look at a couple of Brinks locks that are just fun to practice on. Now this first one is the Brinks I believe that's the R70. Yeah, you can see the R70 right there. This is a 70 millimeter lock, and I believe it was really easy to get into last time. 70 millimeters is under 3 inches, and that looks like that's what that is. It's fun to practice on. Let's see if I can do a real fast opening on this. I'm going to use a Z-bar. Put some pressure on the core. I'm going to use this pick. I'm just going to press down on the keys lightly. And then I'm going to try to rake it open. So that's how easy that one is to get open. That's the Brinks R70. Good old Brinks. Now here's the new one. This is also a Brinks. Stainless steel body and shackle, and it is cut resistant to 13,000 pounds. And it's also weather resistant, and it's a commercial and suggests to use in storage applications. Alright, a couple of things to look at on this. On the information side, so it's cut resistant stainless steel and shackle. It's corrosion resistant, and it has, let's see, oh, here's a good one. It's got a 4-pin brass cylinder with pick resistant pins, and it shows a picture of it being used there. And this is imported, well, it's made by or sold by the Hampton company in Foothill Ranch, California. Made in China, packaged in the USA. So it was made in China for $1 and sold in the US for probably 20 times that much. And it's a big lock. Get the packaging off of it. And this one, compared to the R70, it's the R80. So this should be 80 millimeters, which is just over 3 inches, or is it close to 3 inches? Somewhere around there. A little over 3 inches. So it looks like this is a really big one. It's fun to play with, fun to practice on. Let's see if I can get it open with the Z-bar. Putting some pressure on the core. And I'm going to use, it might take me several different picks to get this open because I've been working with it. I'm going to use this little rake right here to start. See if I can get it open. I'm going to push down the keys first. Just give it a rake or two. I think I'm going to try another pick. Let's try this other one. See if I can get it with that one. Push down on the keys or the pins. I'll give it one more try with this little wavy one. Okay, so it took about a minute to get into this one, but still didn't have to use the keys, just use this one little rake. So there's a couple of Brinks locks that are fun to work on, fun to play around with, fun to practice on, and definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.